Ladies and gentlemen, hi, my name is Gurbujibes, and today we're going to play a game titled Desire. Itong larong ito ay isang istorya ng isang bata na colorblind and he can only see the color black and white. Let's see. When you start hiding from people, it's a sign that you're afraid to play with them. That it itself is a disease. We should try to find out why we refuse to get cured of loneliness. Yeah, totoo yun. Like, sometimes, like, even though we are, like, let's say, like, extrovert, there this time, like, what we're called social battery, you know what I mean? Na biglang nade-drain. Like, through, because of what happened earlier or maybe yesterday, parang yung social battery natin is decreasing as the days goes by. Siguro dahil sa mga negative thoughts, mga negative comments na naririnig natin through our surroundings, through our environment, yung mga negative, ganun. Kaya hindi rin natin masisisi kung bakit parang hindi marunong makisalamuha yung isang tao. Hindi rin natin masisisi kung bakit parang iwas siya sa tao, because we have different, like, story. Every person have its own different story, and different story means different experiences. Okay? Decors. Sebastian Wallet at personages. Animation. Maxime Morgan. Okay. Cinematicquest. Is this Italian? I don't know. Progmation. I don't know. Musique. Loic. Écrit et alles par Selvenstri.
Désiré, pourquoi
Desire.
n'as-tu rien dessiné?
Why didn't you draw anything?
Désiré, je t'ai posé une
Desire
question.
asked you a question.
Je sais
I
pas.
don't know.
Regarde,
Look at
tes
your
camarades
friends.
ont
Draw a
tous dessiné un
sun.
soleil.
You're the only
Tu
one
es seul
who
à ne
did
pas
not.
l'avoir fait.
Yeah, ito na yun.
Oui, mais moi, j'ai jamais vu le soleil.
Mais pourquoi tu dis
Did
ça,
you
mon
see that, my
garçon?
boy?
Il fait tout le temps nuit dans ma
Yep.
tête.
Yup. Desire. Yun pa lang, nakita mo na this is like a sad story about a real life, 1992.
Ah, dear fellow traveller, I'm so happy to meet you,
Nice to meet you too. Oh,
and to travel with you along this rocky path to let a surprising story unfold.
oh no.
Do not be too quick to judge,
Okay,
at least not before you know how it ends.
but I think sa dami ng nabasa at napanood ko, I know how the story ends.
This story is both rough and delicate, as repulsive as it is endearing, melancholy and joyful.
What even? Okay?
But most of all, it is a tale that is deeply human and profoundly singular.
This is a sad story, isn't it?
So let me introduce this young colorblind boy who, from birth, has only ever perceived the world in black and white.
Can you imagine that? Ang hirap. Holy foot.
Colors to him are as abstract as faith to the atheist. Yet they plagued his dreams night and day. This boy's name is Desiré.
At
and his
Desire,
life path
not
will surely
Desire, by the way.
surprise you.
And his life path will surely surprise you. Well, I'm pronouncing the name wrong. It's not the Tsar, it's the Sir. It's this.
But enough chit chat.
Yeah, enough chit chat.
Go and find out for yourself.
Okay. I should read the spell again. But oh, it's a tapping thingy. Okay. I'm not in the mood to walk to the beach. And I have to perform this magic so that my feelings are returned. I see no other way to change the hand I've been dealt. I will not leave until I have gone through with this. There's a crab! There's a crab! No! Looks like I frightened it. And another loss. No! Don't down yourself, Desiree. You know, like, everybody is deserved to be loved, you know what I mean? Titingnan muna natin yung buong bago tayo pumasok. If I'm assumed that we need to go inside the house. The beach is clean. It's this board. I know it. I don't think it's in a state to float. If I had friends, oh no, we could fix it and sail away. Loneliness, man. Discover new horizons. Yeah. The feeling of loneliness, and yeah. We've been all on this series. Yeah, I should read this spell again. Yeah. Damn, man. So, I'm assuming that we need to go inside. Okay. Okay, we're going to inside. I saw a hammer, nails, I have everything. Oh, it's a cabin. Oh. Now what? Oh, okay. What is this? Use book spells with spell to make anyone fall in love with you. Yung feeling na like loneliness, yung feeling na ganun. Like hindi natin maiwasan na maramdaman yung loneliness. Mas lalo na sa mga hard times natin. But even though, okay, I know that I feel lonely as well. At mas lalo nang I actually feel that most of the time. But we're all need to don't forget or keep in our mind that we're not the only one who fighting this particular thing. You know what I mean? Sabihin nating di tayo nag-iisa sa laban. Okay? You have friends. If you don't have a friends, you have a family. If you don't have a family, you need to find a hobby. If you like so this is me, okay? If I feel something that is down, like parang something na nagda-down sa akin na it's too negative for me to hold, what I do is to find my escape point, which is one of those escape points is being a content creator, playing games, and making fun of myself for you guys, or going in the church, magsaserve ako. Those are my escape points. Because to be truth, or sa pagiging totoo, sa school, super negative. Sa work, super negative. And in the house, like, nagiging some point of the negativity vibes na rin sa akin. But my mother, my little brother, which is si Martin, they feel me, they keep me as a, like, they let me feel like parang I'm still part of the family. So, my suggestion is, if you guys feel like you're lonely or you feel down, you need to find yourself to make yourself busy. Like, maybe reading books, watching anime, playing games, or even go outside. Because if you don't keep yourself busy or your mind busy, you just keep thinking about those negative thoughts that keep pulling you down. I remember like reading something like your worst enemy is yourself. And by that, kung ano man ang iisipin mo sa sarili mo, yun yung titingnan mo sa sarili mo. Kung sa tingin mo na pangit ka, titingnan mo sa sarili mo, syempre pangit ka. Kapag iisipin mo na hindi ka magaling, tingin mo sa sarili mo hindi ka magaling. So yeah, this year it's been a tough, mas lalo na kapag like on his condition na like feeling that you know the point na parang you feel like you're the only one or you're the one that is unique, na walang makikiramay sa iyo because you're the only one who experiencing it, seeing the world black and white, not knowing what is color red or color yellow, color blue or something. Yeah, it's the series life is like it's a tough, man. It's a tough. Number one, make a small wooden box. But if you're good, wait, pero kung gagawin nyo yung katulad ginagawa ni Desiree ngayon, nagagawa kayo ng spell o potion para mahalin kayo ng tao, please don't. Just don't. Write the name of your loved one on an egg. Place the egg inside the wooden box and bury I can't read. Box and bury the box away from sunlight for a month. Oh, for a month. So I will make a box. What's the point? I don't know. So I don't think I can nail a single plank into the shape of a box. So maghanap pa tayo ng planks. Makapunta ba tayo rito? Go now. Go! Well, dito tayo. Planks. Snowball. Natingnan na natin yan. Punta ba tayo dun? Ito. Hole. Probably some kid digging to make his sandcastle. Kid forgot his spade. So kukunin natin spade. Tempting but no. Castle. Some kid had a good time building a sandcastle. I rather well done. Thinking to make this. Wait. Paano to? Ayun. Okay. Now I have 6 sticks. Ayan na. Hey! Okay, we have the box. It's not exactly a masterpiece, but it will do. Ganon dapat. Okay? Just like the Siri dude did, appreciate the small things you do. Okay? Keep a positive vibe for yourself or keep a positive thinking for yourself kasi it affects on your mental health. Now, kailangan natin ng egg na maano dito. But what kind of egg? Yun! Okay. Meron na tayong egg. So, lalagay na. What? Wait, sabi mo! So, we need a pen. Yun! There you go! So, ito na. Sulat na natin. Ang tanong, sino yung love niya? Wait lang, hindi ko nabasa. Here we go. I have written the name of my loved one on this egg, as the book says. No, hindi ko mabasa. Ilalagay natin yung egg sa box. The egg is warm. I'm assume na ilalagay natin ito sa hole. Hole. Yan. Ilalagay nga. Black screen. Oh, wait. It's the most pathetic story I've ever heard. And you can imagine I've heard a few in my time. I think this is his grandpa. You're making fun of me, not cool. For good reasons. Don't you think? You're just asking for it. If you make a rod for your own back, don't be surprised if someone uses it. Oh, wait. I'm hopeless. I tell you what's hopeless, always taking yourself down. Just like what I said. It's not like anyone dead. Chin up even if you're alone. Haha. There's this boy I like. Although I like girls too. Wait, what? It's the first time I feel something for a boy at school. I don't understand what's happening to me. I feel completely lost. Desiree! What's more, he's such an effeminate boy. You poor soul. Sounds like you're confused emotionally. That's all. Your desires are tainted by society. I try to avoid kitchen sink psychology, but you should assert yourself within your entourage. You keep stum too often and you let your anxiety eat you up from the inside. I feel so lonely among others, much more at ease in my own corner. Do as you will, but I have to say that your voodoo magic is unnerving. Take charge of your life instead of waiting for the miracle that never comes. But why am I also attracted to boys my age? I don't have a bloody clue, and I don't give a monkeys about your gay story. Yep! I've known you for a good while, and I have always noticed this lack of confidence that makes you doubt everything. You're probably drawn to effeminate boys because you're scared to talk to girls. If you don't want to end up with a feather boa up your you're going to have Christian simple English words. Come on. You're going to have to work at it. Two men together. Does that shock you? Disgusting. But that's only my opinion, so don't take it bad. Makes me sick. As the saying goes, to each his own. Haha. So dusty. I've never seen it all the time. time no longer matters to me. I live outside it. Yeah, parang ganun na nga. Merong mga oras na we choose to not know something. Like parang mas pipiliin na lang natin na magbubulag-bulagan na lang tayo. Because we know that we're getting hurt. You know what I mean? Like, alam natin, wait lang. Like, alam natin na masasaktan tayo. Kaya, we're rather choose to not know about something because we choose to not get hurt. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? Bala na kayo dyan. Punta muna tayo sa kitchen. It is filled with canned food. Only thing he eats. Kapag kinakain mo ang canned food sa araw-araw, that's gonna be bad for you kasi wala kang nako-consume na kailangan mong nutrients in a single day. That's why canned foods, kapag inaaraw-araw mo yung canned foods, it's actually bad for you. You know? Una muna tayo sa I want to hear one of your fantastic story. Why do you always watch the same videos? Where are you called the old man? Ooh. Dito muna tayo. Why are you called the old man? Don't you have a first name? I am so old I cannot remember my name. Oh, no. I don't believe you. Nobody forgets their name. Haha. Gotta know, kid, that on this miserable rock of a planet, everybody lies. I don't. Without expectation. Trust me. Without exception. Exception and expectation. No, Christian. Exception. I wish I had a granddad like you. Unfortunately, I was born too late to have known my grandparents. Don't forget your maternal grandmother. Yes, but she died recently. The surgeons took one of her legs, Gangwing, but they didn't warn her. When she woke up, she just couldn't take it. She let herself die. She would rather have suffered than lost a leg. I'm so sorry. All I have left is my aunties. Such temperaments. His grandmother died dahil sa doktor. Sa surgery na hindi man lang, that's a crime. That's actually a crime. Kailangan may consent ng parents or guardian. Parents? Grandmother? Parents? Kailangan ng parang agreement sa family members before taking the doctors into action. Let's say, pwede na natin tong i-relate sa euthanasia. Kasi, parang naging euthanasia na rin yung nangyari because when the grandmother woke up and realizing that she don't have a leg, she just killed herself. So, euthanasia is just like, the other word of euthanasia is mercy killing. Ang mercy killing is, it's a take of action when the patient have a long coma or something, parang hindi na nakayanan ng family members na makita na nagdudusa yung family members na nasa coma or nasa hospital bed na ganun katagal. That's why may pinipirmahan silang something na, you know, na letting the doctor do their thing na hindi na nila papakilusin yung doktor at once na nag-flatline na yung patient, hindi na nila i-revive. That's the saddest thing that reality is mercy killing. Maganda na hindi pa naano yung mercy killing in where I live, sa the country I live, which is in the Philippines, pero I know mercy killing is like legal na siya sa I think 2 to 3 countries around the world, which is, if you think about it, it's crazy to think about it, pero yeah, I don't know. I'm not a fan of mercy killing. Okay, why do you always watch the same videos? The more you focus on something, the more you learn. Hey, quote for the day. Quote for the day. Sometimes sequences I have watched many times before appear brand new to me. There's always that golden nugget that escape us. Oh, wait, but you're missing out on TV. There's nothing to miss. TV bores me, stupid. No need to watch it to have already seen it all. It offends me. It's like being assaulted in my own home. It makes me numb in my body and spirit paralyze me. It invades my personal space. I want to be able to move beyond any limits. I want to soar, between the stars. I want to float, free of gravity, no crushing, no eating dust. I want to shape my destiny with my own hands. For all those reasons, I refuse to let this toxic wave poison me. I don't follow. Sorry for those negatives. Sometimes I forget your age. You're only 12. My words will resonate definitely when you get older. You'll see. I'm certain of that. Ngayon, tong conversation naman natin sa old man na to, eto na yung point na like we're just think of things, like we're just imagining things na, let's say if you're old, you're imagine that you did this, you like, because if you think, realization kicks in. Doon papasok yung regrets, doon papasok yung ideas, yung realization nga. Giving yourself time to think is actually good, and it's actually bad at the same time. It's to the point na good kapag if you think to do something, or like you want to plan about something. Let's say you think what you can do tomorrow, or you can think what makes yourself busy, or like etc. It's bad if, like what I said, is like if you think about your regrets. It's like parang realizing yourself na dapat ginawa ko to, dapat ito yung nagawa ko in the past. Kung ginawa ko to in the past, hindi dapat magkakaganito. Yung regrets, it's just for me, someone told me na instead of make those regrets as put myself down, or like gawin ko pang negative yung sarili ko, we can use those, paano ba yun? Ano bang word yung hinahanap ko rito? Yung mga pagkakamali natin na yun, pwede natin gawing hagdan. Instead na isipin natin yung pagkakamali na yun into something na we're just give up, we can use those na pagkakamali natin na maging hagdan natin to reach the goal that we want to. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know. Alam nyo, Di ko na kailangan i-explain sarili ko. I know you know. And you know I know. Yes. Ballet is boring. It's not boring. Yeah, it's boring, yeah. Wrong, boy. It's far more interesting than you think. These bodies in motion are so exquisite. Such beautiful harmony. Believe me, it's corny. It's corny. Because you're just a kid and you don't pay attention to what's all around you. Stop looking at the world from the outside. Dive in. You keep stroking the veil that obscures life. Tear it apart. Get rid of it. So, what about you? What do you see when you watch the ballerina? Lightness. Yes, that's it. Lightness. The subtleness of her steps fascinates me. It's a rare gift these days. You'll understand when you get older. When you learn to recognize how clumsy man is. I get lost in this clumsiness. I sink into the mire of this drunken heaviness. Yeah. Kapag, parang meron tayong mga bagay na hindi natin maintindihan because we are just a kid. And to the point kapag there's like an elderly na parang parang pinapayuhan tayo into something na actually helping us to grow. We're just looking it as parang we're seeing it as like parang katulad ng sinabi ng Desiree na na corny. Like we're keep just invalidating yung mga pangangaral nung mga elderly natin sa atin. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know what I mean? David bullies me at school. Who's he? Spotty kid you mentioned before? Yes, he keeps bullying me to take advantage. He steals my stuff. All this because he knows I'm frightened of him. What are you afraid of exactly? That he tells everybody my secret. If all my friends heard it, I would be ashamed for the rest of my life. You got that right, boy. It's crazy intimidation. He's older than you, so he's got you by the balls. And I suppose you're stupid enough to go along with it. I don't have a choice. Bollocks! Don't be a stupid git. We always have a choice, but you have to want it. Simple. You either decide to throw caution to the wind and lay with him, which seems unlikely given your size and your lack of confidence, or you play it subtle with a light touch and some creativity. Use your brain to counter-attack and hoist him on his own petard. Please do me a favor, help me set a trap for him. To each his own, it's your problem, not mine. We face the harshness of life truly alone. I can't do anything for you. A few tips, but that's all. What tips? If I were you, I wouldn't beat about the bush. The best form of defense is to attack. To rid yourself of a bully, you have to sit on your scruples, and it's no hold barred. I'm not after revenge. Got nothing to do with revenge, boy. You're right, revenge is a waste of time and energy. Only fit for our... I don't know. I don't know if I can say that. This is a PG YouTube channel. I'm talking about respect and dignity. Find his weaknesses and humiliate him before he humiliates you. His weaknesses? Okay. What? No. That's such a mean-spirited angle. That is fault, poor guy. Look for a weakness only he can be held responsible for. Nope, I got nothing. Guilty of something? Not that I know of. A secret vice? Nope. A bad habit? Yes, he has one. He jerks off several times a day. Can't help himself. There you go. ruled by an addiction that girls won't find very enticing. Shut him up. Not really much of a secret. At school, everyone knows he liked big melons. Let's just say about that, melons. Use your brain. Have a little bit of imagination. Have a laugh for once in your story life. Catch him red-handed, so to speak. Love the idea, but how? Rubbing one off in the school toilets? You're a fast learner. Go on. It won't work without witnesses. Why not try to immortalize the scene with my father's camera? Then I'll use his photo lab to develop the negative, and the picture does the rounds at school. Just be careful, you only have one print. I use the photocopier at school. I'll have plenty to give out. In your face, Spotty. You know what? Dito muna natin tatapusin yung first part or first episode ng this series natin. Hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. And see you to the next video. Peace.